Hello. Today we'll be taking a look at Schwab's answer to fractional shares called Schwab Stock Slices. I know if you're opening the app for the first time since the feature has been released, you will see a window pop up that will talk about this new feature, but you can also access it from the trade screen. So I'm going to go to the trade screen, and you can see at the very top there's Schwab Stock Slices. So I'm going to tap on that, and so what is Schwab Stock Slices? In summary, it's basically a way for you to buy a portfolio of companies with a small amount of money. So for example, you can see here like shares of Apple are like $330, Advance Auto Parts is $148, things like that. But not everyone can buy a full share of those companies. So Schwab Stock Slices is a way to be able to buy not a full share, but what they call a fractional share of some of these companies. And the way Schwab does it is they allow you to buy up to 10 stocks from the S&P 500. And from what I understand, as the S&P 500 list updates, the list here will also update as well. So let's say you want to buy like 5 companies. Also keep in mind there's a $5 minimum per stock. So if you don't have $5 to invest in one company, then you won't be able to buy it. So compared with other competing brokerages, other brokerages allow you to buy single stocks using a set amount. For example, you could put $50 into Apple and you get a fractional share even though the stock price is $330. So from this screen you can also view details about a specific company. So if I chose something like Apple, I could tap on it and do see quote details, and there it will show you more information about the stock itself and the company. But what Schwab has done was make it a little bit different in the sense that you can build a portfolio. So let's say you wanted to buy 5 stocks. I could essentially choose the first 5. So I'm tapping on each one of them and doing add to order. So at the bottom you can see it shows I have 5 selected stocks. And then what you can do is tap at the bottom, selected stocks. It shows the stocks or basket of stocks that you want to buy, and then you just click continue. And then it just asks what account you want to trade it in. So my account doesn't have anything at the moment, so I'm just kind of going forward to kind of show you. So like let's say I only had $100, I would still be able to buy these 5 stocks, and what would happen is it would put about $20 in each of these since I'm investing $100. And you also have the option to reinvest dividends. Basically, whenever you get a dividend from the company, and you can choose to either receive it in cash or have it go straight back into buying the stock again. And then when you get to the summary page, it will show you the amount that you're going to put in and the number of orders. You can see that for each of the various companies that I'm going to invest in, it will show the number of shares that you will get. So what are my thoughts on Schwab Stock Slices? I think it's definitely an improvement compared to before because Schwab has not offered fractional trading before. At the same time, I can understand how Schwab only offers it for the S&P 500. Maybe because usually for people who want to buy fractional shares, they may typically have less money, so they want to reduce the risk and be more on the conservative side by only offering S&P 500 stocks. And it keeps the focus on large companies that tend to grow over time and make money. But at the same time, there are lots of other stocks outside of the S&P 500 that I'm sure people will want to invest in. So if there's this company that you want to invest in that is not in the S&P 500, then you're kind of stuck there and you'll be forced to buy whole shares of those companies. So that's kind of the downside to this feature. Um, but other than that, I hope Schwab eventually looks to expand the stock trading basket to other indexes, maybe the NASDAQ as well. So if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to every comment. And if you're interested in seeing more videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.